Hello everyone. In this video we will try to derive section formula. I am considering the line segment PQ whose coordinates are given by x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. These are the coordinates of P and Q, and I am considering that the point C is dividing this line segment in the ratio of m is to n. Therefore, we want to find how can we derive the expression for x coordinate of C as well as y coordinate of C, because C is dividing the line segment PQ in the ratio m is to n. Now, for that purpose, I have formed two similar triangles. So let me write what are those triangles here. And first let me show what are the triangles here. So the triangle PCA. So this is the triangle, and another triangle is CQB. This is another triangle. These two triangles are similar triangles. Therefore, what I can write here is triangle PCA is similar to triangle CQB. Why we are considering them as similar triangles? Because if you observe here, in these two triangles, this angle is right angle and it is also right angle, and these two angles are also equal. Why? Because these lines, these two lines, so this line line PA and line CB, both are parallel to each other. Therefore, it acts as a transversal, and hence these two angles, this is and this one, these two angles are equal. Similarly, these two angles are equal. That's why we are considering the triangle PCA as well as triangle CQB as similar triangles. Now, from the similar triangles, we can write that their corresponding ratios, means the ratios of the corresponding sides are equal. Let me write first one side, which is PC in triangle PCA by CQ in triangle CQB, and it is equal to, let me consider CA in triangle PCA, it is divided by QB, and it is equal to AP in triangle PCA and BC, the ratio. This ratio is always equal. In case of similar triangles, the ratios of the corresponding sides are equal. Now, from the diagram, you can observe that clearly the distance between P and C is M. So, I am writing here M, and the distance between C and Q is N. Hence, I am writing N. Therefore, if you write m by n here, you'll get m by n is equal to CA. So CA is y minus y1 from the diagram, and QB is y2 minus y, and it is equal to AP. So AP is x minus x1, and BC is x2 minus x. Sorry, here it is x2 minus x. Now, by taking these two terms first, I will get, so let me reduce its size. So from the first equation, I will get m by n is equal to y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y. If you do cross multiplication, you will get my2 minus my is equal to ny minus ny1. Okay, sending the terms corresponding to y to one side, you will have my2 plus ny1 is equal to my plus ny. From the RHS side, if you take y common, you will get m plus n into y, and here you will have my2 plus ny1. Therefore, y coordinate we got it as y is equal to my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Okay, this is the formula which is helpful for us to find the x coordinate of the point which divides, y coordinate of the point which divides the line segment PQ in the ratio m is to n. Okay, now we will go through next step, which is equating m by n with so m by n is also equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x. Therefore, you will have mx2 by cross multiplying, you will have mx2 minus mx is equal to nx minus nx1. And when you send the corresponding terms to one side, you will have mx2 plus nx1 is equal to mx plus nx. If you take x as common, you will have m plus n into x, and on the LHS side you will have mx2 plus nx1. Therefore, x coordinate is obtained by using the formula mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. Okay, so if you know, the thing that we can conclude from this video is, if you know the coordinates of a line segment, the end coordinates of the line segment, these are x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2, and if you know in which ratio that a particular point is dividing the line segment, then you can easily find the coordinates of that point using these two formulae. X is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, y is equal to my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Thank you very much.